Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today we are unboxing tarot and tea. This is a monthly, I want to say like a very cool themed subscription box where they send you, this box has 6 large tea samples, 6 card themed tarot readings with our seasonal tarot deck, an enchanted tarot inside our box. That's one that we'll look at and like make our own reading. As you can see here, it says you are the seer. There's also an online magazine that helps you to utilize the box. There's one tea accessory, and then there's one ritual accessory, and it's usually like a meditation, like a guided meditation. This box is $79.99 per quarter. This is their angel themed box. They do also have one that's I think just the tea, that's $36.99, and then they have a tea sampler which is $12.99, and those both ship every 3 months. So if you're looking for something kind of less expensive to start yourself out, that is always an option. But this is their top tier box, and it has the most. If you guys remember, this is the box that I did, the Sugar Skull box. Do you remember that around Halloween? So as you can see, it would October. This would be like their December, January box. All right, so what do you guys think of this angle, by the way? I think it's really cool. I think you can really see. I wish I had like a little box in the back so you could kind of see in more, but this is really good too. So it says tea ritual is now not escape from, but escape to, and the difference is important. When you took human form, you were not choosing to live in a prison, even one of spirit's design. Rather, you are choosing for a time to breathe the air of conflict and taste the bitter herbs of higher learning. The tea ritual is an escape back to spirit's own bosom, where the soul retreats, not for pity, but for rest. All right. Happy holidays and Merry New Year from Tarot and Tea. And you can leave a review and get a $50 Amazon gift card. Did you even see that as I was reading? Okay, good. There we go. Yeah, okay. All right. So here is our box guide, Fortune Ritual Tea box guide. So this will walk us through everything in this box, the online magazine, how to look at it. There is a code. It's expired now, but all right. Ritual Tea magazine. We're not going to peek there because it's telling us contents. And then here's my reading and my cards. So these are cards. So this tells you how to read everything. We're not going to do this right now because this is like in depth. If you're interested in seeing this, check my full review, which I'll link to below. That's where I'll keep all that stuff. And you can kind of see the in-depth pictures, and I'll kind of go over what what I'm doing as my, what my like reading is actually. I couldn't get that out. All right, there's all these little stars in here and snowflakes and stuff. All right, I'm not a fortune teller. Tarot cards are a tool for life enhancement. Tarot is a transformation tool using archetypes, symbols, and correspondences, helping the client connect past and present into valuable insights on the day they are given for the energies of that day, for answers on how they may move forward. All right, so this is kind of just like a disclaimer for all that stuff. All right, box change notice. It's too late to, okay, so there's apparently something happened. Their cookie shipment was destroyed, so there wasn't cookies. To compensate you for your loss, we've included an extra tea towel and entitled Thankful, Grateful. All right, so that's okay. Things happen, right? Okay. So first off, we have this guy here. What is it? Let's find out. Alright, so this is probably our tea towel, and it has, okay, so this says, what does it say here? Without work, there is no investment. Without investment, there is no growth. Without growth, there is no work. Mommy? And there you go. Had a little intruder. But I do like, you guys know I love orange. I love that color, so this is really cool, and it is from Tarot and Tea. So there's that. That is neat. Torpedo. All right. This looks like a calendar, which would be cool. Look, Zodiac Women from Yasmin Westwood Art. These are just all, oh look. So it is like a calendar, but it's more like an art calendar. That's really cool. And they're all dressed up in like Gaelic attire, I guess you would say. Who out there always checks their own month first when they see it? I have to check my month. All right, so these are our Lemon Star sugar cubes. So there is that. We got really cool skull sugar cubes in the last package from them. Here's some honey sticks. It says Flight B. This is the honey flight. I don't know the different flights, but that's really cool. They look like they're different flavors. There's, it just says flavored honey sticks. Cool. All right, then we have, everything's packaged separately. All right. This is a teacup. Oh, Lord. Oh, guys, I don't know if I can get this out. So now that I'm looking at it, it looks more like a drink cup, like not a teacup so much, but it's very pretty. We'll find out how to use that. All right, then they always have one of our cards attached to these, and that's the name of the tea. So this is the 7 of Cups tea, and this is a black tea. And there's the Page of Pentacles, and that is a black tea, or organic cinnamon bits and natural flavors. Then there's the 4 of Wands. This is a premium white by Mudan, juniper berries and blue cornflower. All right, another intruder. So this is the 3 of Wands. This it's just Tulsi tea, tea, has no caffeine in it. This is the Queen of Cups, and this has the Thymonia vermicularis. I've never heard of the Asahina. This is also non-caffeinated, so it is herbal. It looks like actually like a mushroom or some sort of something like that. I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up. All right, they gave us some tea bags. They gave us a tea light, which I'm thinking goes in this. I wanted to say it looked like a candle holder, but I'm not sure. And then we have, this is a pure tea, which is very caffeinated. I've never heard of this either. And this is called the 10 of Pentacles. This is a white jasmine and white tea. Ooh, it's a ball. So you put this into your vessel, whatever, your teapot. I use a French press typically for these so I can see them. And then it opens and it blossoms. It's a blossoming, flowering tea. All right, here's a bag with something in it. This is probably our other tea ball. Yeah, this is a blue one. And it says celebrate. It is very like festive for Christmas, like the holidays. So honor, celebrate, believe, connect. And then it has the tarot and tea up on the top there. Sorry. All right, so there's that. And this, oh no, this is our tea light holder. Here's a tea light holder with a wing on it. This is a tea infuser with a star. That's super cute. I love these. The ones that you clamp because they're just so easy to use. All right. What's next here? Ooh, our crystal. It's an angel, and it's like in a, I want to say, an iridescent quartz type. I love that though. That's so pretty. All right. Down to our last couple items. So this looks like a mobile, some sort of mobile. It's festive. If I can get it out. So it's a tea for a tea light. How the heck do you use it though? I'll have to like build it later. Whoops. There's like little stars. So there's like little stars that hang. And you put your tea light in, and I guess the air from it, because you know they collect oxygen, fire, spins it maybe. That's kind of cool. All right, final item, and I don't know if there are items inside or not. What is this? Oh wow! Look at that. So it's a tiny little tea service, And it came in this, its own like travel. I don't think there's anything inside, but it's taped shut, I guess, so it doesn't break. But look at how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness, I love it. And then it has these two little baby like teacups, just small service cups. It has like, so you can take your tea with you places. How freaking cool is that? So that is everything that I received in my tarot and tea. You get your tea service, your cup, your tea light, your little carousel, and tons of other stuff. Wow, this is really cool. Our charm, trying to get all the tea out. We received 2 tea towels, and tons of tea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big bags of tea, and then a couple small bags with the tea bags, the honey sticks, the sugar cubes, the calendar, and then our second tea towel, which is awesome. And then you get the magazine and all your personal reading as well. So I mean, like, I made a big pile here. So I think this is really cool. Let me know your thoughts down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're interested in checking out Tarot and Tea, I'll link to them. I will also link to my full review on the blog, in case you want to check that out, because that'll be a lot more informative, and I can kind of show you what I learned after I opened the box and really dug into the contents. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.